The Amazon Prime deals 26th and 27th of the July, the previous month, I got a package. I ordered a study table which came in a broken stage, and the package was also some kind of broken on the top and the sides. So I like to share my experience on Amazon Prime deal products, how they delivered. So let's start in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah. In this channel, some tech videos, reviews, tutorial, some tips and videos, also unboxing videos, and some kind of reviews like this one. So if you're new here, smash that red button, the YouTube button, so it will be much appreciated by me. And you can also like, comment, share everything if you already subscribe to my channel. So it's all the YouTube things everybody says. So without wasting further time, let's start. So just hold on. This is the package I got on Amazon. As you can see here, just hold on a bit. As you can see here, the package is kind of broken here itself, and also the along the tape side, the package is not firm. It's not kind of sturdy pack. It's kind of more like what is it? It's like a papery thing. It's not like a cardboard itself. It's like a paper thing. So what is my opinion on this is that they packed it somewhat good, but this came from Haryana. You know, the top. In the top, I am from Tamil Nadu. So it was shipped from Haryana, and there's some kind of the dealing on the delivery package was not good. So I'm very much sorry for the guy who booked this one. On the delivery stage, the package was broken. So let me just open it up. So I already opened it, so don't worry, I'll just show you the package. Just hold on. As you already can see here, the package is broken right in the middle side, so that the cardboard just came out on this side. So I would not complain the guy who shipped this one, because I think that it is coming from Haryana. During the delivery stage on the train or bus or some kind of thing, the safety of the package was not good. I would say like that. So I am very much sorry for the guy who shipped this package, who shipped this table. It costs around 799 rupees on the Amazon Prime deals, as the original price was about approximately 850 rupees in India. So apart from that, I will not complain that I mean, he gave like a old product, broken product, like that thing. On the way of the delivery time, the safety of the package was not good. So I'm not complaining on the Amazon, I'm complaining on the seller, I'm not complaining on such things. But what is the main thing is that on the Amazon Prime deals, I know you all know very well that there have been a tremendous amount of products have been selling on these 2 days. So that it will be a kind of tension, it will be kind of very hurry-burry. So at the time, the packing would not be good. So if it's like a single or two products, I mean, he would he take some precautions. He'll pack it up very clean with a plastic wrapper, such things. But due to Amazon Prime deals, they just smashed the delivery thing and also broken it up. So they just smashed the study table into 2 pieces. But it didn't come out 2 pieces. It's like a 1 piece, but it's kind of broken at the center. And I don't have any issues because I have a return policy. So I just replaced it, this table. So I have don't worry because I just received a broken product. So I just replaced as soon as I saw this one. So again, the same product is coming from Haryana, the same seller. So if it is in nearby, it will some kind of safety and precautions, such things. But as it is very far, the handling is not good. Yeah, that's the thing I would like to say. But I also ordered the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, the laptop which I unboxed in the previous video. You can check it in my card. That laptop came in a very so I'm putting very much because the laptop came in a very secure and safe package. So it depends on the rate on what you're ordering that, because in laptop it's 40,000 rupee. So that came in a secure manner, but for this 800 rupees budget thing, it came very much less. So what is the main thing is that regarding the price thing, so their packing will be regarding to the price. So that's all about this video. So I'm not complaining on Amazon, I'm complaining seller, I'm not complaining anybody. But you can see regarding the price segment, delivery was not good on the Amazon Prime deals, because I also ordered another knife which I unboxed, which I showed you in my unboxing video of the laptop, that thing, because that packet also was very worse. It was like crumpled. So what's the thing is that packing is not good on some lower budget things on Amazon Prime, because I also ordered some other packets, the same thing before the Amazon Prime deals or something. So that was very much good. On the Amazon Prime deals, I don't know what is the thing, because due to some more products, they are putting some very fast packaging, so it's not good. So that's the thing I wanted to share in this video. It's my experience, personal experience. Each and everybody will have their own thing. So stay in contact with me by following my social media platforms handles like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, qurrahtech, so you can stay updated with me and everything. So this is Ahmed from qurrahtech. See you next video. Bye bye.